पुलिस ने हंगामा खत्म करने की कोशिश की।
The police attempted to end the commotion. The police attempted to end the commotion.
आप इसका गुस्सा भड़का सकते थे।
You could have invoked his anger. You could have invoked his anger.
मैंने दरवाजे से लात मारी।
I kicked through the gates. I kicked through the gates.
वो ऑप्शंस पर गौर करके रह गई थी।
She was left considering the options. She was left considering the options.
वो ये नज़ारा देखकर खुश दिखाई दिया।
He looked delighted by the sight. He looked delighted by the sight.
मैंने घर की तमाम लाइट्स बंद कर दी।
I turned off all the lights in the house. I turned off all the lights in the house.
वो सीने पर बाजू बांधे खड़ी थी।
She stood with her arms folded across her chest. She stood with her arms folded across her chest.
मैंने सब्र से दोनों के दरमियान तबादला देखा।
I patiently watched the exchange between the two. I patiently watched the exchange between the two.
आग पर रखे खाने पर एक नजर डालें।
Have a look at the food on fire. Have a look at the food on fire.
कोई रास्ता होना चाहिए।
There has to be a way. There has to be a way.